going guys, Nathan obviously back with another video. In this video, we are doing a challenge. We are doing the Whisper Challenge. So, we're going to put on some music, like, real loud so we can't hear. And, yeah, let's just see how it goes. Who's...
Okay, me.
Right.
Okay, what do we say?
First. Right. You say it first.
Yeah. Okay.
No, you say it. Say it louder.
Banana. Yeah.
Wait, how loud's the music?
Really loud.
Right, no, I mean like this. Say it like this, yeah? DNF King.
I don't have a clue.
And so do you give up?
Yes.
Okay, I'll give. Did you give that? My turn.
Okay, what was your one?
And mine was DNF King. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Right, play.
Wait, let's
Change the music to him.
that's a... Okay.
Oh. Wait, it's not on yet.
Please. We can see the music. Okay. Okay, go on.
Abo.
No. It was kind of thing on.
No, don't tell me. I'm not going to give up. Apple.
Yes.
You? Whoa.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, he got all the right. Okay. Phillips go.
Philip.
Go to the right. Let's go.
Wait. Oh, dude, that's loud. Oh no. You stop.
GTA sucks.
GTA? Right?
No.
Now you tell us.
No, you got it wrong. Are you going to give up or not?
Shit.
No, listen. You can keep guessing. GTA sucks.
I don't know that.
Okay, do you give up?
Yeah. I know this song. I know that song. That's okay, just put it on. Okay.
Huh?
Time.
Oh?
No. Do you give up?
Yeah.
Time. Okay, mother again.
I got
Mother.
this one.
Mother.
Say goodbye.
Okay, let's do it. Because I should hear nothing. One. Anything. Anything. Yes! I didn't whisper.
Superrealistic and malicious.
What? I don't think I don't know what I know.
Superrealistic and malicious.
I give up. No, look. Superlistic.
No, superrealistic and malicious.
Okay, Nathan then. Dad? Okay.
Coat.
Ah!
Whisper.
Okay, so
He's
here
the
then.
last two.
Okay, that's it.
Too loud.
Oh, I love that song.
Just out.
Wait, it's not starting.
Oh, that's loud!
Okay, you can stop.
Johnny Orlando.
Say it.
Johnny Orlando.
Apple? That was like, whale.
Johnny Orlando.
Just out.
Johnny Orlando.
I got no idea.
Johnny Orlando.
Dodgy.
Okay, sis. Old time.
Horse.
No. Old
Time.
Put that on. Don't touch it. Old time.
Just out.
No. Old time.
My car.
Okay, he gives up this. Old time.
Wait,
I get to pick. I shuffle it. Look, I can shuffle.
Oh, yeah.
I knew it. Okay. Wait, no, it's not that. Wait. Oh. No, bottle water. Yeah.
Okay, that one will be it.
Yeah, I like that one.
Okay, so...
What the hell?
What's that?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah? What?
Heck. No.
Right? Okay. What the hell?
Hell.
Yeah.
I already go home.
Okay, let's think of...
Why not?
It's what it say.
Say it again.
Peace out.
Peace out. Oh, okay, I'm choosing the song.
The Duva. Wait, no, make it like really hard, because at the moment it's so easy.
Okay, put it next song and I'll choose that one for you, okay? Okay, wait. Oh. I didn't smash it.
It's fuzzy.
Okay, well, we need to make it harder. Can you even see for it? I think I know. Oh,
Ariana Grande. Oh, yeah, man.
okay. Super duper Superman. Super duper Superman.
Superman.
No. Super duper Superman.
Superman.
Super duper Superman.
Superman.
Super Superman. Superman.